we are going to have a quick cooking for today. Alright, so what I did is ang pork, ako siyang gifry daan, and then nagsaute ko sa onion, garlic, and red bell pepper. And then right after, I put some water, hot water. I use the hot water. And then I put the potato. Hello mga kabiyahe! So quick cooking for today. So na ako sa kitchen since it's Saturday weekend. So what we're cooking right now is pork with potatoes. And here's some cabbage. So I'm gonna put it here once we have the pork tender and almost cooked. Okay? After cooking, we will do the frying of this tamban fish. Lami kayo ang tamban. So, magprito ko after cooking this.
Fresh tamban of the day.
Fresh tamban kayo, ha? So, this is from the nearby catch sa mga uncle na ko na fisherman. So, we have this tamban and we're gonna fry it later. So, lami kaya itong sudan for today. And let's put some soy sauce. Soy sauce to taste. And it's almost ready. So we'll put now the cabbage. And we're done!
5 minutes later.
And we are cooking now. And we are frying the tamban.